one. Hello, mathematicians. Mr. Regan here with your math lesson with Miss Yuka.
Good morning.
Hi, hey everybody, welcome back. And so today we will be continuing with our adding of 4-digit numbers, and your learning objective here is I can efficiently, and we're going to continue talking about that word, add up to 4 2-digit numbers and show my thinking. Your language objective is I can explain the order of adding numbers using sequence words first, next, after that, and finally, and explain why. Here we go. We're going to continue with our vocabulary. We're going to use those words addition. You're looking for addends. Remember, those are the numbers that you're adding, right? That we're adding together. Those are called addends. The sum, that's the number that you added to after your equal sign, and you found the total. Okay, so the total is that answer, okay, resulting in adding. Here you have decompose. Remember, we're breaking up those numbers into our tens and our ones, and we can add the tens and then we can add the ones. So when we break apart, it's called decompose. Okay.
And when you are explaining your thinking, like Mr. Regan explained, we are going to be using those transition or sequence words first, next, after that, finally, to explain the order of you doing things and the reasons. When we say reasons, I want you to think about it. Did you add those numbers because it made 10 or it made 100, or did you spot doubles? So you're going to say something like, I added this and this because it made 100. And then continue to explain until finally I added this and this, and my total or my sum is blank. So you're going to hear that in our model this morning.
Mm-hmm. And just to add on that too, with your reasons, that explains how your answer is added, and you found that efficiently. So did you make your 10? Did you make your 100? Did you add doubles? So when we say efficiently, that's finding the best way to get to your answer. And that maybe is using your doubles, right? Using your making 10 or making 100, right? So when we look for these friends, that's how we can add efficiently, okay? All right. And we're going to play.
Yes, we're going to do our mental addition, and we're going to do that game that you played last class. And this is how it's going to go. We're going to show you the 4 dice. You're going to add them as quickly as you can. Try to beat Mr. Regan. And you're going to have to explain in which order you added them. Okay?
Here we go. We already have one set up for you. So as soon as I click, we're going to show you this one. Go. 15?
Yeah. Ooh, how did you do it, Mr. Regan?
I saw the 6 and 6 was 12, and then I saw 2 more was 14 plus 1 more 15. So I counted on from there.
What did you think? Grade 2 friends, did you use that strategy too? Okay, problem number 2. We'll do 3 rounds.
Here we go. 10? Yeah, 10.
Yes, did you think? I spotted doubles. I added 1 and 1 because those were doubles and made 2. And I knew 2 plus 3 would make 5. And then I have another double, 5 and 5 made 10. Ooh, nice. Is that the strategy you used?
I actually did it a different way. I'd like to find the bigger numbers first. So I added the 5 and the 3 first to make 8. And then I found the 2. So then that was 10. So
making 10.
Yeah, so I made 10, but I'd like to count on from the big number, and then I'll count the little small ones.
Nice.
That works.
Okay, last round.
Here we go.
Ooh, big one.
17?
17? Yeah, I think so. How did you do it?
Yeah, I thought 3 and 3 was 6. So I started with my doubles, and then that was another 6. So 12 plus 5. So I went to 17. Boys and girls, did you say it before me? Oh, I hope you did.
Good job. You can keep playing this game. You have this link. So keep playing and practice your mental math, adding 4 numbers in your head. All right, we're going to move on with our lesson.
That was fun, Miss Yuka.
All right, get your math notebook ready. You're going to solve these 2 problems, okay? The first one are all 3 single digit, and the second one is 3 double digits. So you know how to read the problem. I want you to pause right here and take your math notebook and show your thinking there. And come back and check in with us when you are done.
All right.
Okay, welcome back.
Welcome back.
All right, so this is the first problem. 3 plus 8 plus 7. I spotted making 10 right away. 3 and 7 make 10. So first I added 3 plus 7, and that equaled 10. And I added the 8, 10 plus 8. And my total or my sum was 18. Did you get that? I hope you spotted the friends of 10. That makes it very easy to add. All right, the next problem we're going to listen. I'm going to start by decomposing the number. So 43 is 40 and 3, 58 is 58, 67 is 60 and 7. And now I'm going to look for friends of 10, friends of 100, or doubles. Do I spot? 3 and 7 makes 10, friends of 10, and I can also spot 40 and 60 makes 100. I'll make sure that I add them first. All right, I'm going to start by adding the 10. I'm going to start first. I'm going to add 40 and 60 because I know that makes 100. That's really quick. Then I'm going to add the other 10. So 100 plus 50 is 150. Then I'm going to move on to adding the ones. I'm going to do 3 plus 7 because I know that's friends of 10. That was quick. And I'm going to next add 150 and 10, those two together, which makes 160. Finally, I'm going to add that leftover 8 there. I'm going to do 160 plus 8 equals 168. So the total is 168.
Very nice job, Miss Yuka. I don't know if I like your fingernail polish more or if I like that you were checking off when you use those digits. And that, I think, is a really nice way to make sure that you used all those numbers. Boys and girls, that's a good strategy for you to try too. All right, let's look at, oh, sorry.
I'm going to start by...
Sorry about that. All right, we're going to try another one. Okay, so remember to get your notebook ready, and we're going to pause the video and you're going to do some of these practice problems. So now we're going to have 4 addends, 4 numbers that we're going to be adding together. Think about that strategy and how Miss Yuka found her friends of 10 or friends of 100, and she efficiently, and we're using that word, adding those numbers together. So we have 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8. And then we have 78 plus 31, 29, and 48. Okay, be prepared to share your strategy you use to help you solve this equation. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. All right, hit that pause button. Welcome back. So how did we solve this one? So we want to look at our friends of 10, and we also want to find our doubles. So we circled in blue, our doubles was 8 and 8, that made 16. And in the red circle, that was 1 and 9, and that made 10. We can group those together, and that made 26. Easy peasy. All right, so remember, find those friends of 10s and those doubles. Let's look at the next one with our video.
Okay, so I'm going to add these 4 numbers. I've already decomposed all of these numbers, and I'm going to be looking for making 10, making 100, and doubles. Ooh, I spot 70 and 30. That makes 100. I also spot a double, 8 and 8. And I know in a snap that's 16. I also spot 1 and 9. Those are friends of 10. Okay, I think I'm ready to add. I'm going to start by adding my 10. So first, I'm going to add 70 plus 30 because I know that makes 100.
I like that. Check. Yep.
Sure, I've already added. Then I'm going to add these two. Okay. 20 and 40. 20 and 40 equals 60. So I know that adding them be 160. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my ones. I'm gonna start with my 1 and 9. So next I'm gonna add 1 and 9 because I know that's my friends of 10. Easy peasy. Then after that, I'm gonna add my doubles. 8 and 8, boom, 16. I'm gonna add those together. So 10 plus 16, extra 10, 26. Now I have 160 and 26. Finally, I'm gonna add those together. Okay, I put it right here. 160 plus 26. I know 160, 20 more, 170, 180 plus 6, 186. 186 is my total on my sum.
Very nice job. Excellent work, Miss Yuka.
Thank you.
Yeah, and more colored circles too. I liked how you found those combinations of numbers. That was really nice. It was really clear and well organized, well planned out. I think it was perfect. All right, let's look at our next one.
Okay, so you have seesaw activities to do. You have 3 problems to solve. Okay, 1 3 addends problem and 2 4 addends problem. Okay, so you're going to show your work. I want you to work in your notebook and then take a photo. But something a little bit different today is for that second problem, you see that microphone sign, just for that problem, and we will put that one on the slide as well so you know which one. You are going to record your thinking. So after you do your work, we would like you to use the record button and want you to explain how you solve that problem. Just show it to your teacher step by step, just like in the video, just for that. Okay, the other ones is just pictures. And you get to play a fun game that we're going to teach you. Mr. Graham shared this awesome game with us, and it's called the Balloon Flight Edition. And the link is on the first page. But we would like you to go to level 3. Mr. Regan's going to show you how to play this game.
All right, here we go. And it looks like this. Yep, so we're going to make sure that we click on the level 3, right? So these we think you can kind of do. And if you'd like to practice with these, you can always try level 1 or level 2. That's okay. But we would like, as second graders, for you to try level 3. All right, we got to add it up quickly, and we're going to put in our answers, okay, before the balloon drops. Okay, so I see 5. Oh my gosh, that was too fast. 19. Oh, and I clicked.
You made it. Doubles, right? You have to be efficient. Look at
okay, here we go. Okay.
6, 5, and 9. 6 and 5, it's almost doubles.
I'm gonna
11
say
plus 9, 20.
Yes.
Okay, you guys
my
got
heart
the
racing
idea?
a little bit here.
Yes, the balloon goes up, and before the balloon hits the floor, oh, try this one again. 6 and 6 doubles.
Plus
12,
5. 17. 1, 7. Click.
Before the balloon hits the floor, you have to punch in your numbers. If you get the wrong answer, they would just say, try again, okay? And you have to keep trying until you get it right. It's a really fun game, so I hope you enjoy.
So that's what happens if because I thought it would be, I knew it was 19, but I put in 18, so they let you try again. So I know that 6 and 4 is 10 plus 9, that's going to be 19. There we go.
Using your strategy makes it really more efficient and quickly, right? You can solve them very quickly and accurately. Okay.
All right.
So Mr. Regan can't stop playing the game. It's fun. Okay. So hope you have a great time doing the math and showing your thinking and playing the game. All right.
All right, boys and girls. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.